Do you wake up with jaw pain or headaches? You could be grinding your teeth without knowing it. Teeth grinding, or bruxism, often happens during sleep and is commonly caused by stress or misaligned teeth. Over time, grinding can wear down enamel, damage teeth, and cause jaw pain. At Loveit Dental, we offer custom night guards to protect your smile and relieve discomfort. Schedule your appointment with Loveit Dental today and protect your smile.